Welcome to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. Health, it's a lifestyle. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We're about to do one of my favorite things, well, second favorite thing, because I just finished working out, and now that we got a good burn, it's time to go to the grocery store and get food for the week and meal prep it all on a budget. How do we do it? Do you want to know how do you shop on a plant-based diet, make it healthy for the whole family, for me and my husband, make it easily accessible, prep it, make it so you can just grab it and go? If you're interested in how to do all of this for under $50 at the grocery store, eating only plants, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. This is Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. Health, it's a lifestyle. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Dr. Jade. I'm a family medicine physician resident, and I am passionate about nutrition, fitness, and primary care hot topics. Those are the things I'll be mostly covering on this channel. If these are topics of interest for you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss videos when I upload. Here we go. And off to the grocery store we go. This is the only section we need. I'm at the farmer's market, and look at all of that goodness. All right, guys, I just got back from the grocery store. These are my 2 bags of goodies. They look small, but there's a whole lot in here, a full week's worth of food. So I'm gonna take everything out the bag, and I'm gonna probably wash everything off camera and then come back and show you what everything looks like on the counter. And then I'll show you how I prep everything for the week so that it's easy to grab for you and your family. All right, guys, first I wanted to show you just how everything looks laid out on the counter. I just took everything out of my 2 grocery bags, laid them on the counter. Now I'm just gonna go over and wash everything individually in my sink, pop them into bowls, and then I'll show you how I prep everything. I'm also gonna let you know at the end of this how long it all took me, because it is a bit of a sacrifice the first day. You know, maybe I'll guesstimate that it may take about an hour, but it literally preps everything for the whole week, so it makes everything quick the whole rest of your week. So I typically do this on Sundays. So let me go wash everything off and I'll be back. All right, guys, and I'm back. I now have everything washed off and laid out for you. I don't usually lay it out all pretty like this, but obviously for the video so you can see all the things I bought now. You'll also notice I'm wearing my baby. This is the real life Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade, and the only way she's gonna be quiet the rest of the video is if I wear her. So there's that. So let me show you all of what I bought. So we have string beans, broccoli, bok choy, an onion, garlic, plums for a snack. We also snack on red and green grapes. We have lemons and limes, cucumber, kale, a red and green pepper, pineapple, baby carrots. We have red potatoes, sweet potatoes or yams, zucchini, a squash, some tomatoes, some fresh ginger, black beans for some of our protein, even though there's protein in the vegetables as well. Baby carrots, if I didn't already say that, red apples, and then my grains this week are gonna be a brown jasmine rice and quinoa. So, can you believe all of this stuff was for less than $50? That's so exciting. So, the way I do this at this point of my meal prepping game, I don't necessarily decide on a recipe unless my husband says I have a taste for X or I have a taste for something in particular. If that's the case, then I'll, actually go in the grocery store with a specific recipe in mind. But because I shop at a farmer's market and there's always new fresh fruits and vegetables and whatever's in season, for me it's more fun at this point because I know how to prepare all these things. Is to walk in, see the produce, grab what looks good and fresh and what I think I might have a taste for the week, and I think my husband might have a taste for the week. And then I have everything prepped, like I'll show you next, in the fridge, easy to grab or make a meal really quick. And that way, the possibilities of meal options are endless here. I mean, it really makes the week of food really exciting. So that's how we do it at this point. So let me get it prepped, and let me show you for the prep component, all you'll need is some gallon Ziploc bags. I have this really large knife this week just because I bought this pineapple, but I don't usually have that if I don't have a pineapple. A regular cutting knife, and then also a peeler. I use this to peel my potatoes, but if you don't have a peeler, you don't need one. You can just use your knife. So really simple setup for the prepping. Like I said, I took everything out the bags, I washed everything. That process took me about 20 minutes, and part of that was because I was tending to the baby. I probably could have done it in 15 minutes. And so now I'm just gonna prep everything, and I'll come back and I'll show you how everything looks once it's prepped, and I'll let you know how long that took. And then I'll show you the final product of how everything is easily accessible and prepped for the week in my fridge. So stay tuned. All right, guys. I'm not gonna lie, that is the most tedious part of all of this. That took me about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour to cut all of this. You'll notice that some of my vegetables, like my cucumbers and my kale and my apples, are still whole. That's because, although I might cut some of these apples just because I like to cook some apples too, but I will be juicing with these, and I'll be doing a separate video on juicing because I love juicing. I'll talk about the benefits of juicing, and I'll show you how I make my favorite juice, which is out of some of these ingredients. But then you'll notice that all of my other things are chopped up, prepared, and in baggies, and I pretty much cube everything. Like these are my sweet potatoes, and they're cubed, and my red potatoes, and my onions. Everything gets cubed, basically. So that when I'm ready to prepare them and eat them, I just throw them in a pan and saute a lot of things, or I throw them in the oven and bake them, or I may get fancy and prepare them in a different way, just depending on what dish I'm making. All right, guys, so this is the final part. Everything is now cut, diced, in the bags, in the fridge. I never put my fruits and vegetables in the crispers or in those what do you call them, shelves at the bottom of the fridge. To me, that's where vegetables and fruits go to die. So you'll notice I have everything on the shelves. I love when I get to this part of the week because it's just so beautiful. So I'll show you how it looks, and then my husband and I just grab things as we want them throughout the week, and I'm about to throw some of these vegetables and fruits in a pan and in the oven right now so we can eat. And so yeah, so we're just trying to achieve our optimal level of health, and I hope that's what you're here to do too. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, I have a juicing video coming. And so yeah, thank you so much for grocery shopping with me and meal prepping with me for the week. Okay, so this is the final product, and it's a little hard to see with the lighting from the fridge, but there's our juicing vegetables down there. There's our plums that we just grab for snacks, and this is the beauty right here. All of these fruits and vegetables, mostly vegetables, are cut and chopped. We have some more fruits up here that we use for juicing and snacks. There are grains over there that are all prepared. So yes, and of course we have some water over there that's chilled and ready. Ignore my baby's milk. So this is what my fridge looks like every week when I'm prepped for the week. So then you just grab, throw it in a pan, throw it in the oven. Thanks again for meal prepping with me for the week. This was so much fun for me to shoot this. This is what I do every week. I have friends and patients ask me, you know, how do I incorporate more fruits? How do I incorporate more vegetables? How do you really have a plant-based lifestyle? One, on a budget, or two, if you have a really busy lifestyle. So I hope this helped and answered your questions. And also I hope that it provided some tips on things to do, like using Ziploc bags, and also keeping everything on the shelves, cutting everything up, and doing it all in one day so everything's ready to go. It's a one-day sacrifice, but the rest of your week is so much easier when you do this, you guys. And then making recipes throughout the week and mixing and matching these vegetables and fruits and grains, it just is so good for your body, but also it's so delicious and it's easy. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm now tired, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna just throw some of these in the pan, in the oven, make a quick meal for me and my husband, and then I'm gonna relax. So thanks again for joining our channel. Remember to like, subscribe, share, put in the comments on some things that you do. Here's the question for the week. What are some things that you do to, one, meal prep? What are some tips you have that make your life easier, or some hacks you have? Like for me, it's the Ziploc bags. What are some hacks you have that really make your life easy? And how do you meal prep and eat healthy on a budget and with a busy lifestyle? So I'm here to learn from you guys too. So let me know, and thank you so much for joining. This is Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the meals we made for the week. Here's some juice we made. We just throw the vegetables in a pan or in the oven really quick, just like that. And the meals are so delicious. So I hope you guys learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.